Yes, people, welcome back. Bali vlog number 2 is up. Today we've got a day tour around Ubud. So we shall be hitting some waterfalls and we've just landed at the first one. Look at this. So this is Tegalungung waterfall. I don't know what the fuck it's called, to be honest, but it's something like that. It's pretty epic, so we're gonna see if we can get down closer to it. We don't know exactly what we've got planned, but just some waterfalls, maybe a monkey forest. Here comes Oscar. Suksama, brother.
Ali. Our pool area.
Right, Oscar, say hello to the vlog.
How's it going, my beautiful people?
Big dog. So, met Oscar at a place I was staying and now we're best friends. So you see my last best friend in the last vlog. I've got a new one because the Australian guy fucked off. There we go.
You got a better one, mate.
Got a better one. We upgraded. Sorry, Noah. So we've stopped. Quick coffee. It's currently 7:30. Quick oat milk flat white, and then we're gonna shoot off to the next waterfall.
The main attraction.
Bosh. I feel like it's like the Bali weather, bro. Like the rain is never it's never light.
Yeah.
It's either like really sunny like this, or it's
Shit.
fucking pouring it down.
Yeah.
Like.
My fucking knees healed up alright. I fell down a pothole, fully, when it was raining.
Tell
It
them.
was a little no. So
Tell
I'm
them
walking.
the story.
I've never had, like, it was L Central, so it was pouring rain for 24 hours, so at some point you just had to go out. I didn't have an umbrella or a jacket, so just get some clothes on, get drenched. I'm already in a mood, right, because it's just been fucking shit out for like a day. And then as I'm walking, there's a little puddle, and it's like a tight little squeeze to get past this car. I step, I see this puddle, my foot's going through, I'm like, oh well, I'm already soaking wet, you know, my foot's gonna get a bit wet. I step in it, boom, I fall down a fucking hole. Literally.
So it was like a gutter.
Bro, like literally on a gutter, in the middle of the road like this, in the pouring rain. Like, I'm like, oh, I have to climb out. And then I'm fuming, I'm like effing and blood. I'm like, this is shit, fuck this. And then I get a pizza, some drinks, it's like 2 minutes later.
You'd have to get a pizza, like you feel sorry for
I was
yourself
like,
after that, right?
Bro. I got like Coke and water, like a can of Coke and water. I walk like 10 minutes, not even like 5 minutes. The bag splits and everything just goes on the floor. And I was like, brother, I've never had a worse 10 minutes in my life, bro.
Big L.
At that point I started laughing. There's nothing else you could do, bro.
Big L was taken that day. Fuck! There's flies and mosquitoes, man.
No,
I can't get dengue fever again. I've got dengue fever as well, by the way.
New tattoo.
New tattoo. Yeah, brother.
6 months.
Bali. Okay, we just walk 5 minutes.
What is your workout routine? You very big muscles.
Oh no, just a small. No, very small.
Not at all, brother. You are jacked. Right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, brother.
Yeah, you too. So enjoy your time.
First ones, let's go.
Yeah.
Boom. Life is bagus.
What does that mean?
Life is good.
Bagus, it's good.
Bagus.
I hear water falling. You know this King Cobra's thing?
Really, yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks for telling me that. That makes me way more at ease now. Oh. Bagoose. Bagoose.
Hello. He can't swim, so he's gonna sit under a waterfall. It's a great idea.
Uma Anyar complete. On to the next we go. I've got my socks soaking wet for getting onto that waterfall, but it was worth it. It was fucking sick. And that's why you need a pair of Crocs, because you can just take the socks off. And life is bagoose. Man, you know when people say like, I just want to be at a level of fitness where I'm not fucked going up the stairs.
Yeah.
I don't think you ever reach that level.
No, I think it will pop.
Because stairs are fucking hard. Like, I'd consider myself a fit guy.
Yeah.
But that was a couple of steps and I'm fucked.
I'm telling you, the vaping don't help.
The vaping doesn't help. But man, the camera's on, so we have to pretend I don't vape.
No, I'm just saying, like, if you did, you know.
If I did, yeah, hypothetically.
Hypothetical world.
Yes. Ooh. Hello, good morning. What we saying about the whip? It's my baby.
Hello.
The paths down to these are cooked, man. Holy fuck. Man, it's like lopsided as well. Fuck. Okay, so we've arrived at waterfall number 3, but we don't see the waterfall. We were told we need to swim across to see it, but I don't know.
I'm scared of crocodiles, I can't lie.
Scared of crocodiles, I can't swim, so this one might just be a no-go. Semumpan. Not happening. I think when people think Bali, man, they just think like really blue, clear water, and then you come here and it's just brown. What?
It's upstate New York.
Instagram versus reality, huh? There must be like over 100 people queuing to take a picture with the waterfall.
It's not even that nice though. The other ones we went to are nicer.
Yeah, the other ones are much nicer. So this is, we may just turn around. I mean, this bit's kind of nice, like, but
Too fat for this far.
I didn't want to say it. That's a very valid fact from Oscar, right? You girls have so much poses you can do in photos. We've got nothing now. Look at this chick, right? Look at this chick.
Imagine if I tried to do that.
Yeah, it's not happening, like, you know? Like, we cannot get away with this. We're gonna stick with the double biceps. That's all we got. Canto Lumpo out. We will be back when it is less busy, but it is a nice one. Right, this is number 5 now, isn't it?
You know. Done alright.
Waterfall number 5. This one looks like it's gonna be a lot more promising. The last two have been a little bit, yeah, not the best. Like good, but last one was too busy. The one before that, we just couldn't find shit. So, whew, fuck me. Look how beautiful this is, though. It's actually nuts, man, how many beautiful places are rammed into one little area.
Oh, God. Oh, shit.
There he goes.
Oh, fuck, I'm fucked, mate. I fucked it. Mate, I'm stuck.
You're stuck, man, not getting you.
Oh, fuck. Oh, man, I'm actually fucked it. Oh, mate, my phone's gonna come out. Mate, I'm actually... Mate, fuck. I'm actually fucked, bro. Like, I'm trapped. Bro, I can't move. My phone's gonna come out.
Where is it?
It's in my phone, it's in my right. I don't know what to do. Holy shit. No, can you read that?
Go on, son.
Get this out. I can't move it. Mate, I'm done. I'm actually fucked. Mate, I'm fucked up so bad. I don't know what to do, mate. I'm actually not fucking around. No.
There you go.
Oh, fucking hell.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oscar. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let me put that behind me.
Right.
So if this snaps, bro. Oh man, that's quite cool. Fuck.
Nice.
It's worth it. Once you figure it out. That's quite wicked.
Whoa.
You know, Jesus, man, that's wicked. What? Whoa. It's actually alright, isn't it?
Oh, that's quite nice, man.
I feel like you're flying into it.
Oh yeah, because you can kind of like lay back on this thing. Kind of chill.
Oh.
Putting the trust in some Indonesian dude that fucking drops some
fucking
shit
street
together, man.
swinging, mate.
Yeah, fuck.
Fucking hard, isn't it?
Yeah. Oscar.
No.
That was so much scarier, man. That was harder than it looked.
Not freezing, but it's just nippy. Oh, that is nippy. Oh man, he's got my foot on. Woo! Jordan is a big fat pussy. No, nothing, bro. I did not think that through. I did not.
Bali belly. This is a wee hidden gem that we found out. This is it's not one of the popular kind of tourist areas, but it's fucking just as nice as the rest of them. My good God, this is incredible. Right, thing you gotta love about Oscar. He recognizes the fact that he's out of shape and he's gonna do something about it, right? And he doesn't get mad about people calling him fat because it's motivation for him to get less fat. And I think more people need to be like Oscar.
It's real body positivity.
Real body positivity. Not accepting you being out of shape and being like, it's fine because it's not fine, you know it's not fine. You need to get in better shape. And if you do want to get in better shape, in the link in the description, there's 30 ways in 30 days to get in the best shape of your life. So hit that link and sign up, it's free. Pit stop for a little bit of grub. 5 waterfalls. 5 waterfalls down. Monkey forest next. Market. and then home. Probably have to get a massage as well. Like, I think we will have to.
Oh, you get ice cream.
That chicken is good. Could I get a coconut milk latte iced, please? Yes, could I also get an almond croissant? Right, we've decided on an almond croissant because it's the Lord's Day.
Makes no sense.
It makes loads of sense. We will roll with it. Look at that. Just can't beat an almond croissant now. Shout out to Mercy Baku. See this? I can already tell this one isn't as good because it's pure salt. No crunch to it. I need a bit of salt top, bottom crunchy. 5 out of 10. Not worth it. Monkey Forest, you are up. Kind of scared for this one because I don't have my rabies vaccine. I learned when I was getting some vaccines that rabies is 100% fatal. On the day I could only get 2 vaccines, so I'm missing a couple of vaccines. So it is what it is. Let's hope I don't get rabies. Let's hope monkeys don't steal my shit. Oh, they all want it. Go on, the lads. Go on.
Oh.
Go on. Oh. It's a monkey's world, man. We're all just living in it. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh. Break your heart, that would. The little family. Cheeky bastards. They're like, they're grooming each other. Have you read the Chimp Paradox? Because I remember actually reading about that. They groom each other for like hygiene and stuff, but it's also how they create bonds and like form relationships. It's how they start their tribes. It's cool.
Also,